This is a 5-inch GINOUR FL117 palm sander. It does 6,000 to 13,000 rotations per minute. We've been building the deck, and to get some of the rough edges out, we've been sanding them down with our GINOUR 6-speed sander. So if you have a DeWalt, great. DeWalt does have a brushless motor, for example, but you're also paying 3 times more. I've been using this for building this entire deck pretty much, and then we'll also use this for doing epoxy inside the house when we did this countertop. So we used it to smooth out all the edges right here. So this was wood, and then we used the sander to smooth out every coat after the epoxy. So we ground it out all the way to 800 grit. It's rated at 300 watts and 2.0 volts of power. So it's a palm sander. There are 6 speeds, and you can adjust them with your thumb right here from 1 all the way up to 6. You can see that this is independent of what the disc does. It's a Velcro end, just like all the other sanders, so you can cross use your sanding paper from any store. This is what sucks in the dust, and this is your dust chute. Now I like that it's plastic, so you can just dump it and then stick it back in. I hate the ones that just have that little bag, because those bags always break or they get penetrated. To just sand some edges in here. So I'm just gonna hold this. Now it's very difficult to do this with one hand for presentation purposes, but it's already smooth, right? So I definitely recommend this, considering the price. I've used this already for over a year, multiple projects, and absolutely no issues. It's still as good as it was the day I got it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna get back to my giant deck.